Hi, in this video we'll be talking about the rib generation using Autodesk Inventor. So let's get started. The component that we'll be drawing today will look like this. So I'll show you how to generate this rib using different planes. So let's get started. Let's go to new, standard IPT and create. So to do the rib first we need to generate this solid 3D structure, and then we need to draw the rib on this face, this edge to this edge. So let's start with 2D sketch. Select the plane, take the line command, now let's dimension this. Okay, so we are done with the basic sketching. Now let's extrude this to 2.4. There you go. So we have a rectangular component here, which has been extruded. So let's do the filleting now. We need to have this fillet done over this faces. So let's do that. I'll show you how to do the filleting. Let's select this face, go to fillet. Now we are going to do a face fillet. So let's select this. This is full round fillet on side face. Now let's rotate this a little so that we can see the faces. Okay, click on this face, and let's rotate this a little and select the other face. So there we go. So that's how we create a fillet using the face fillet option. So now we have this component done. The other thing we have is a hole here. So let's draw that hole. Let's select this face, select the hole command, click over here. Now you see it has a direct hole command that we have drawn. There is another way to draw the hole again using the sketching feature, but in this we'll use the direct hole command. I'll show you how to do that again. Select this face, then go to the hole command and then click. So now we want the hole to be uh, concentric to this arc here. So let's select the concentric. So it's concentric. Let's reduce the diameter 0.1. So that's the hole. You see we are done with drawing the hole too. So that's the component that we need to have. Okay, so now comes the rib generation. So to do the rib first we need to work a little with the planes. So we'll select the plane from here. So let's click on the plane once and select the edge and select this surface. We need to be careful while selecting the face because I'll show you again. So if you are doing this, there is a chance that you change the plane. So while you're selecting with the plane, make sure that you select the edge and then select the curve on which you want the rib to be generated. So what it does is the rib is kind of the connection between this curve and this edge. So we cannot draw that directly on a solid surface, so we need to have a plane on which we can do the command. So we have the plane, so let's select this plane. Once you select the plane, you have create sketch command. Just click create on that, zoom out a little, then select the line, select the edge, and select the point till where you want the rib to be generated. I want the rib till here, so that's the line. That's a simple line that we have drawn. Let's see if that line is on the plane. Make sure that the edges of the line you're drawing are always connected to the part, and the plane is always on the solid surface. So this is a solid surface. If you see here, plane is on the solid surface. This edge is also on the solid surface. So that means we are on the right track. Now let's click finish. Go to the rib command. Rib is usually here. So let's select the rib. Click on the line. And there are two kinds of ribs. One is a solid rib. I have a solid rib here which uh, fills in the whole surface, and there is the other rib which is like a hollow rib which connects only the edges. So that edge is this one. You see there's no solid here. So we want this to be a solid rib. So this is a solid rib, and the thickness, so make sure you rotate the component a little. So if you want to change the thickness of the rib, just click here and make changes. You see, so you can change that again. Let's do that again. Let's make it a hollow rib now. Now if you want the rib to be only a strip from this edge to the curvature, so let's change the cross section here. See, that's how it changes. See, now make sure that you remove the plane. To remove the plane, go to the work plane, right click on that, and if you check you have the visibility option here, just click on that. There you go. Don't have the plane. If you want to work with the plane again, go to the plane, right click again, and do the same. So that's how you draw the rib. I think this will be of real help to you while designing solid components. Thanks.